I'm Dr. Deuk, CEO and founder of the Deuk Spine Institute. I'm here today for another Spine Scams Exposed, and today we're going to be talking about the insurance industry once again. The insurance industry is at the heart of most scams in medicine, and when I'm talking about insurance, I'm talking about either healthcare insurance or workman's comp insurance. And today we're going to be talking about Berkshire Hathaway workman's comp insurance arm. Many of you don't know that Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett's company, provides insurance for patients and people that work and are injured at work who become patients with medical injuries and they require treatment. The treatment they require falls under what's called workers' compensation insurance. Now, workers' compensation insurance is required by law. Every employer has to have it for their employees that are injured on the job. Today I was seeing a patient. I can't give you her name, but she was injured on the job about a year ago, and she came in with injuries to her spine, her neck, and her lower back. Unfortunately, she was injured in California. She has Berkshire Hathaway insurance for workers' comp. She has been needing surgery to alleviate her horrible back pain and neck pain. She has multiple disc injuries, facet injuries. We have a plan. We can fix her with the Deuk laser disc repair by simply going in with a small incision in an outpatient, minimally invasive procedure that's very safe and has a great track record of 99.6% elimination of pain that comes from herniated disc by simply repairing the annulus tear in the back of the disc, which is the source of her back and neck pain. Now, she also has facet joint pain, so I've asked the insurance company Berkshire Hathaway to agree to cover fixing the facet joints, which is very simple again with a small incision, and it takes about 10 minutes. Her insurance, instead of agreeing to pay for her injuries and get them fixed, they want her to do a year of conservative treatment, which we already know doesn't work, including therapy and shots. And this is what surprised me the most. Her insurance company told her she should try opioid narcotics. So why is an insurance company recommending opioid painkillers to somebody injured on the job who has chronic pain? Opioids are long been proven not to be effective at treating chronic pain. And I was absolutely surprised that here everybody realizes opioids, narcotics should not be prescribed for chronic back and neck pain, but here's an insurance company telling her to take them instead of having surgery. This is crazy, folks. So number one, why is this insurance company trying to tell the patient to do pills instead of get her back fixed? Well, to me, the only thing I could think of is that maybe they want her to die taking narcotics so that they don't have to pay for her surgery in a year's time. It's absolutely ridiculous. And that's why this is a spine scam. You pay your insurance premium, or your employer pays the insurance premium every month for you to get benefits when you're injured and you're sick and you need care. And yet when you actually get an injury at work, here's your insurance company like Berkshire Hathaway who is denying treatment, refusing treatment, but asking the patient to do narcotic opioid pills instead. It's absolutely crazy. We all know opioids are bad for people. They shouldn't be taking them. She needs to get her back fixed, which we could do with one simple, minimally invasive surgery, and then she could be back to work and on with her life. We just want you to know the truth, and that's why we publish Spine Scams Exposed.